Okay, this is a Dunkirk boiler and we suspect there's a leak on this gas valve. So here's my little tester. And what we're doing is we're checking for leaks without the boiler on. Make sure we have no leaks anywhere in our gas line. So I'm just checking the gas line out here. You can see there's the gas coming in, gas cock. So what we're doing is we're checking that whole area. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn the boiler on and we're going to check again and see if we can detect where this leak is. All right. Okay, Ed, I'm ready. Okay, there's a call for heat. And there's the leak. It seems to be right. I mean, I can even smell it. It's pretty bad. Scanning around, see if I can pinpoint it. Seems to be the strongest right there. Kind of almost down here where this terminal block is, or if I come out here it's not as bad. Seems to be worse right back there behind it. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go down below. Make sure it's not part of the manifold down here or below the gas valve. I'll check again here. Yeah, it's getting really bad. It's going crazy. Okay, I'm going to adjust this. So I'm checking the pilot assembly. Doesn't seem to be there. Checking under the gas valve. Come up here. Yeah, it's right up in there. Okay, I think that's proof enough that this thing's leaking. Alright, that's it.